What is his name?
That one.
Yes.
Candy.
Oh, this is Candy?
Whoa! Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Candy.
What is it? What is it? He's mad now.
No, it's a girl, right?
Boy.
Boy, oh, Candy.
Me too. He's a maniac.
Solita está.
He's like an acrobat.
Oh.
Unbelievable. Look at him. He's swinging.
I know, I'm watching it. Amazing.
And then he grabs that with his tail and then launches himself. Holy moly. Dude, he's dangerous. He's a maniac. Is he trying to eat my hat? Hey, 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 hey. Hey. My hair's bad enough. It doesn't need you doing that. Oh, no watch. He's like a 2-year-old.
Yeah.
Hey.
Like a child.
Hey, Bambino.
Candy.
That's Candy.
Scratching his leg. He's pretty smart.
Oh yeah.
Very, you know.
What do they eat?
The bananas, watermelon, papaya.
Just fruit.
Yes, fruit.
That's it.
Yes, fruit.
So they don't eat peanuts.
They like to eat peanuts, but we don't feed them peanuts.
Uh-huh.
We feed them just papayas and bananas.
He's chewing in my ear.
He is?
Other than these monkeys are the ones that
Okay.